Morristown National Historical Park commemorates the sites of George Washington and the Continental Army's winter encampment of December 1779 to June 1780, where they survived what thought to be the coldest winter on record. The Ford Mansion, which is a large white building, was the site of the hard winter. Theodosia Ford, widow of Jacob Ford Jr., and her 4 children shared their household with Washington, his staff, including Alexander Hamilton, along with their servants and sometimes their family members. Martha Washington traveled to Morristown to spend the winter with her husband. The first question is, who is buried in General Grant National Memorial? Do you know? Does anybody know? What's an easy one? General Grant, of course. Grant's tomb, officially known as General Grant National Memorial, is the final resting place of Ulysses S. Grant, the 18th President of the United States, and his wife, Julia Grant. When a site was being selected for the tomb, it was thought that he should be buried in Washington, D.C. But his wife said he didn't want to be buried there. He wanted to be buried in New York. Alexander Hamilton created the tools for the success of the United States. From his humble beginnings as an orphan on the Caribbean island of Nevis, he became George Washington's right-hand man. The Hamilton Grange mansion was his home that he built on a Harlem estate.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.